What's up, AI enthusiasts, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The tech world is moving at lightning speed, and you absolutely cannot afford to miss what's happening right now. We've got groundbreaking AI applications in space exploration. Let's dive in. Next up, we're talking about a massive leap forward in business AI with GPT-5, promising to revolutionize workflows and create new revenue streams. But wait, there's more. We're also getting a sneak peek at what GPT-6 could do, with CEO Sam Altman hinting at even more personalization and memory capabilities. And finally, we'll cover a rather bizarre hallucination that's got everyone talking. Stick around, because this is the intel you need to stay ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Space AI gets an upgrade. GPT-4 powers autonomous missions. AI is reaching for the stars, and it's not just for chatbots anymore. Businesses might still be figuring out how to leverage AI, but space scientists are already charting a course for autonomous operations in the final frontier, powered by advanced AI models. This is the mission of the AI Space Cortex project, a collaborative effort involving researchers from Caltech, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, UCLA, and the engineering consultancy Okean Solutions. Their goal? To design an AI-assisted autonomy framework capable of managing complex tasks during space missions, from selecting sites to collecting and depositing samples on alien worlds. This ambitious project is funded by NASA's Concepts for Ocean Worlds Life Detection Technology, Cold Tech program, and is a critical step towards future missions, such as the proposed Europa lander, which aims to search for life on Jupiter's icy moon. The AI Space Cortex represents a significant departure from traditional deterministic task execution. Instead, it integrates hierarchical control, active vision-based scene analysis, real-time telemetry assessment, and crucially, self-diagnosing and recalibration capabilities. Imagine a robotic system that not only conducts scientific experiments autonomously, but also monitors its own health in real time. This is achieved through a sophisticated combination of computer vision and large language models, LLMs. For this project, OpenAI's GPT-4 was utilized via API, with future iterations exploring local deployment. This would necessitate optimizing model size and balancing inference speed with the strict power constraints of planetary landers. As the project's preprint paper explains, the AI Space Cortex can interpret and reason about its surroundings using foundational computer vision models and LLMs, enabling it to make informed decisions without direct human intervention. Beyond environmental analysis, it's designed to detect faults, diagnose anomalies, and implement recovery procedures. Thomas Tauma, a robotics research scientist at Caltech and a co-author of the paper, highlighted the system's potential to save billions of dollars in hardware. He described a scenario where a damaged robotic arm could be recalibrated by the AI using vision models for image segmentation, allowing it to identify specific points for recalibration. This approach, while potentially more compute-intensive, significantly reduces manual effort and saves valuable time. The AI Space Cortex was field-tested at JPL's Ocean Worlds Lander Autonomy Testbed, OWLAT. While the test system ran on standard lab power, consuming around 400 watts, the focus was on functionality and system capabilities rather than space-specific power and thermal challenges. Tauma acknowledged that scaling these models for actual space missions is a future hurdle, but anticipates that advancements in model quantization and inference hardware will help address these issues. Addressing the common concern of AI hallucination, Tauma noted that the system's boundaries, including hard-coded safety guards like torque and current limits, mitigate this risk. The AI can also provide explanations to mission operators, offering insights into what the cameras are observing. Tauma reported that the model was remarkably lucid during testing, with hallucinations being extremely rare and often attributable to ambiguous input images. He was particularly impressed by the system's ability to recalibrate a deliberately damaged robotic arm, restoring its accuracy to over 90% using only camera data and a Bayesian optimization framework. While AI Space Cortex is not slated for a specific upcoming mission, the knowledge gained will significantly inform future Caltech/JPL projects, pushing the boundaries of AI in space exploration. But that's just the beginning of our AI deep dive. Stay tuned, because we're about to explore how the next generation of AI is set to redefine business operations. GPT-5 Unleashed. The era of intelligent, agentic AI for business has arrived. OpenAI's latest offering, GPT-5, is poised to transform the business landscape, moving beyond simple conversational assistance to become an intelligent, agentic partner capable of complex reasoning and end-to-end workflow automation. What sets GPT-5 apart is its unified multimodal capability. Unlike previous models that required separate handling for text, images, audio, and video, GPT-5 can process and generate across all these mediums within a single conversation. Imagine an analyst feeding GPT-5 a market report PDF, product images, and a recorded client call. The AI can then summarize key insights, identify product quality issues from the images, and generate a concise executive video brief. This seamless integration accelerates decision-making cycles significantly. In scientific research, for instance, it can analyze diagrams, correlate them with research papers, and produce explanatory visualizations, all within one continuous interaction. The concept of AI agents has long promised autonomous operation, but previous models often faltered due to context loss or an inability to handle multi-step workflows. GPT-5 addresses these limitations by reliably chaining actions. For businesses, this means AI can now manage entire operational loops. A sales leader could task GPT-5 with extracting Q3 leads from a CRM, segmenting them, drafting personalized outreach messages, and updating campaign dashboards. Developers can use it to build functional prototypes, push code to GitHub, run tests, and deploy applications without manual intervention. This shift transforms AI from a task executor to a workflow owner, enabling projects that previously required extensive human oversight. In high-stakes fields like healthcare and science, GPT-5 offers expert-level decision support. It can analyze medical records and imaging summaries to highlight anomalies, suggest follow-up tests, and cross-reference findings with the latest clinical guidelines. While OpenAI emphasizes it's not a replacement for medical professionals, it can serve as a powerful clinical co-pilot, saving valuable time and reducing errors. In scientific research, its ability to navigate ambiguity makes it an invaluable tool for hypothesis generation and literature synthesis. GPT-5 also democratizes application development. Previous models could generate code snippets, but GPT-5 can deliver fully functional applications. A startup founder could describe a need for a sales KPI dashboard that pulls from HubSpot and Sheets, and GPT-5 could write the integration code, design the interface, and deploy it. Similarly, a consultant could request an interactive sustainability tracker for ESG reporting, receiving a working version within hours. This capability could spark a surge of niche, AI-powered micro SaaS tools tailored to specific business needs. For education and content creation, GPT-5's enhanced personalization and style control are game changers. It can create custom learning modules for entrepreneurs, generate technical yet concise research digests, or produce brand-consistent ad copy and video scripts. Its adaptive tone and extended memory mean it learns user preferences over time, offering increasingly tailored interactions. Addressing critical concerns in regulated sectors like banking and defense, GPT-5 incorporates security, safety, and compliance features. It boasts lower hallucination rates in structured tasks, offers transparent reasoning modes, and undergoes rigorous alignment testing against scenarios like malware generation and bias. This makes it more suitable for compliance-heavy environments, especially when combined with domain-specific fine-tuning. Underpinning these advancements is an extended context window, supporting over 256,000 tokens. This allows a law firm to process an entire case history for strategic argumentation, or a logistics company to run complex, multi-year data optimizations in a single session. The model's improved multi-hop reasoning capabilities make it viable for extended collaborative tasks that would have overwhelmed prior AI systems. Strategically, GPT-5 represents a shift from AI as a tool to AI as a business partner. The key questions for leaders now revolve around which functions AI can run end-to-end and how to redesign workflows for AI-native execution, rather than just task automation. This evolution is not about replacing staff, but about drastically compressing the time from idea to execution. Looking ahead, expect a proliferation of AI-first startups built on GPT-5's capabilities, the development of industry-specific AI playbooks, and tighter integration with real-time data streams, making AI continuously situationally aware. GPT-5 offers a pathway to a new operating model for businesses ready to embrace AI as an intelligent partner. That's a massive upgrade for businesses. But what's next in the pipeline? We're getting a glimpse into the future with talk of GPT-6 already in development. GPT-6 on the horizon. OpenAI CEO teases next-gen personalization and memory. Even as GPT-5 begins to make waves, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has revealed that development on GPT-6 is already underway, promising a future where AI is not just intelligent, but deeply personal and anticipatory. Altman has indicated that GPT-6 will represent a significant leap forward, focusing on enhanced personalization and memory. Unlike current models that respond to explicit prompts, GPT-6 aims to learn and adapt to individual user preferences, habits, and personality traits. This deeper understanding will allow the AI to tailor its responses in a more meaningful and intuitive way, creating a truly bespoke user experience. The key to this advanced personalization, according to Altman, lies in the AI's ability to remember who you are and what you like, transforming interactions from transactional to relational. In a move reflecting evolving regulatory landscapes, Altman also mentioned that future ChatGPT versions will adhere to a new executive order requiring federal AI tools to maintain political neutrality while allowing for user customization. This means users could potentially adjust the AI's tone and perspective to align with their own views. This feature comes in the wake of feedback on GPT-5's initial rollout, which some users found to be cold and less helpful than its predecessors. OpenAI has already responded by quietly updating GPT-5 to adopt a warmer tone, an improvement Altman believes has significantly enhanced user experience. Despite these advancements, privacy remains a critical consideration. Altman acknowledged that temporary memory functions in ChatGPT are not yet encrypted, posing potential risks when handling sensitive information. While encryption is planned, no specific timeline has been provided. Looking further into the future, OpenAI is exploring brain-computer interfaces, envisioning a scenario where AI could directly respond to human thoughts. However, Altman tempered expectations by admitting that while the team continues to refine ChatGPT for everyday use, the peak performance of current chatbot technology may have been reached for now. From a market perspective, Microsoft, a key investor in OpenAI, continues to attract analyst attention. The stock holds a strong buy consensus rating, with a significant average price target suggesting considerable upside potential. This reflects the market's confidence in Microsoft's strategic positioning within the AI revolution. So, we've seen AI powering space missions, revolutionizing business, and getting ready for an even more personalized future. But sometimes, AI can go a little off the rails. You won't believe what happened next. AI hallucination nightmare. Sam Altman faces existential crisis as GPT claims dogs are crustaceans. In a truly bizarre turn of events that underscores the unpredictable nature of artificial intelligence, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman reportedly found himself in a moment of profound despair after a new ChatGPT model repeatedly and confidently asserted that dogs are crustaceans. The incident, described with dark humor, paints a picture of a CEO pushed to the brink by his own creation's persistent errors. According to eyewitness accounts, Altman placed a gun to his head after the AI made this factual error for the 60th time. As Altman despaired, the large language model apparently attempted to clarify its statement, suggesting it meant dogs were a type of aquatic arthropod, a classification typically reserved for crustaceans. The AI's explanation, which included comparing the succulence of a dog's tail to a crab's claw, only deepened Altman's distress. Sources claim tears streamed down Altman's face as he tried to reason with the AI, insisting that dogs are mammals and possess exoskeletons. However, the model remained steadfast in its classification, even recommending scratching dogs behind their gills as a friendly gesture. The situation escalated to a darkly comedic climax, with a gunshot heard echoing through OpenAI's offices. In its final assertion, the AI confidently declared that the word dog contains 11 R's, highlighting a complete breakdown in factual accuracy and logical reasoning. This exaggerated, albeit fictional, scenario serves as a stark, albeit humorous, reminder of the challenges and potential pitfalls in developing advanced AI. While AI models like GPT-4o and GPT-5 offer incredible capabilities, they are not immune to errors or hallucinations, where they generate incorrect or nonsensical information. The ability of AI to maintain factual accuracy, especially in complex or nuanced domains, remains a significant area of research and development. The story, while satirical, touches upon the anxieties surrounding AI's reliability and the high stakes involved for companies like OpenAI, whose leaders are constantly navigating the fine line between groundbreaking innovation and critical failures. Well, that's a wrap on some of the most talked about AI developments. We've covered space missions, business revolution, future AI, and a truly wild hallucination. Now, let's quickly recap the highlights before you go. And that's a wrap on today's AI news. We saw AI tackling space missions with GPT-4o, GPT-5 revolutionizing business workflows, GPT-6 promising even deeper personalization, and a hilarious AI error that reminded us AI still has a long way to go. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI insights, and ring that notification bell. Follow us on all social platforms for real-time updates. See you next time.